Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with the wind coming up and the chimes blowing and my glasses are handy. And this is a 16 by 20 inch canvas donated by Kimberly T. And I am going to amuse myself to my own bloom history, hopefully. I found that I had some bare accent paint. I don't want that hair in it. And I want to use it as my pillow paint because I can. It's not metallic. Whoa, and that's the breeze. And I want to do some pretty straightforward colors, and I think the black that I expect it to be right here is here, and that, and that. So I am going to grab a little spoon. This once upon a time was fluid iridescent gold by Golden. And I may want that again in a second. This is mica powder. Oh, yep, this is mica powder too. And it's definitely getting to be time to use it or add some more ingredients to it. The ingredients that I use in the 3 different paints that's house paint, latex semi-gloss house paint from Walmart or wherever Bear came from, and then the colors have 1/4 poly something or other. Mine is Polycrylic because I had a gallon of it. I didn't know what I was going to do with it until this happened, so that was rather sudden and quite wonderful. I want more white, and I think I'm going to use white cell activator. I might even use some blue cell activator. So this is not coming out. I shouldn't be surprised, should I? Ever? And I got it. Cool. So that's cell activator, and I've got wonderful color shifting folk art purple. I want a little bit more. That's a Grumbacher that I made up and added to the poly and the untinted deep base. What else do I want in there? Anything else in there? Boy, it's really tempting. I think the pink is coming in a second. I still want the yellow. Okay, well, regatta colors, until I add the pink anyway. I never did, oh I did put that orange in. Alright, so I'm going to put a little bit more cell activator. Am I? Not if it won't come out. Okay, fine, be that way. Alright, so here goes nothing with the cell activator. And then a couple of others. That is a magenta from Golden that is the best cell activator of all. Hopefully I have enough paint on here to tip. Kind of feel like I should have used some white as well, but seeming as it's all an experiment, I'm not going to worry too much. You know what? I can still use white. Cool. Get all those little chips away. I can also use an edge catcher if I want to, which I had handy. There it is. I see it. It's under some paint bottles, but not too many this time. Cool. That could work. Alright. So, I'm just going to blow down into things. Try and keep my necklaces out this time. Using dog food bags underneath. I've got some nice cells over here. That gold is not showing up enough for me. I have some gold. Where are you, gold? I was going to say some gold cell activator, but it never did activate much of anything. But it doesn't mean it won't be helpful. Because I'm pretty sure it will. Alright, it's time. It's time for me to what? It's time for me to bring my big old nasty pour-off pan over. I think maybe I can get away with pouring some stuff off. I'm going to get as close to the edges as I can before pouring anything off. And then if I'm close enough, I can probably also, I'm loving that accent red, I can probably also use the edge catcher if I so choose at that point. Oh, lost my paint. Hopefully this is going to be about keeping some negative space. There's a lot going on here. And house paint is very slow to move. But it could be really cool. We do have some nice cells. I kind of think that this corner would benefit up here, stay there, from some more house paint. Actually, more than that. More than just that corner. Come out. Well, at least the house paint, when it plugs up a bottle, it usually allows me to get some more out. No, it's not helping. I'm just going to pour it right on there. Let it drip over. Because I don't have a choice. I'm going to bring this right around to this side. And use that edge catcher right now while I can. Let everything come down to this side. Stretch those cells out. Don't know what I'm going to get. I'm just trying to get my edges covered. I can rock it back and let that be covered, and it does cover the edge very nicely. And then I think I'm going to try and do it again. I'm a lot nervous about losing my negative space, which I was becoming very fond of. I like the idea of being able to cover my edges and spread out the patterns. And that's working for me. I can also put that right down, grab an OXO omelet turning spatula, take the paint right off my edge catcher, hopefully you can see that. Oh, I just put my painting right under something I needed. Alright, well, so far so good. Where am I going from here? I don't know yet. I'm not there. I'm going to put that edge catcher down again. Stick my finger right in the painting because I don't have a choice but to get a little painty. I'm going to let some of that paint fall right over. I don't think I'm going to have anything to pour away kind of like either the idea of white or black. Right here. And I can't really use the black. Can I? I don't know. Somebody gave me tweezers and then I didn't use them. Not sure what that is. It definitely wants to come out. That is so irritating that I cannot get that paint to come out when I want it to. So I didn't use a super duper abundance of pillow paint to begin with. I'm going to leave that open so I can get that out of there. Sometimes you need to like run a skewer around the inside of the whole cone of a bottle to get all of the dried gloppy paint out of it. And that seems like it's especially true of the latex. So what else do I have? I have some cell creator. And I kind of want to try it out right there. I also have, oh, I hope I didn't mix that together. I might have. I am prepared to get painty. Am I? I don't know if I'm ever prepared to get as painty as this stuff makes me. I just like the way the colors flow together. It looks different to me than it does when I'm doing regular pouring. I don't actually want to do a whole lot more. I'm going to take my white paint off my edge catcher right here. Cover my edge. Same with the black right here. Even if it's a little convoluted, it's fine. I'm going to grab the Princeton Artful Catalyst spatula and use any of the paint on my edge catcher right there. Fall right down over. See what I want to do with this other last spot. I really want to take that beautiful paint off I see hiding up here. But I don't have a place to rest my canvas, so I really can't do much about it, I don't think. Well, it's better than wasting it, I guess. There, I promised I wasn't going to lead any more little strings across anything, and I did it anyway. Oh well. Maybe I can do something about it. I dislike doing that intensely. How about a straw and see what that does? Let's just make it bigger. So it looks like it's actually supposed to be part of things. You know what? I'm not minding any of that. I've got lacing up here, I've got lacing down here, I've got lacing in there, and I'm sure I could continue to pour that off and make something more interesting still, but I actually really like what I've got. Do a little finger swiping, see what happens with that. It's probably not something I'm supposed to be doing, but I'm doing it anyway. I do, I just want to swipe. I don't really want to ruin that white space. Okay, I'll be good. I won't be good over here though. I'm going to find out once and for all. Okay, that's not actually bothering me. I don't mind that either. I don't mix up gray, but I don't mind when I get gray. And I've got my fingerprint I can get rid of right here. And I've got 29 seconds left to tell you guys I love you! And there's 85,500 of you. And if I want some paint, and I can get it to come out at all, I can continue to play in this. I haven't really spent an awful lot of time playing. In the blooming technique. And I am going to torch. I really wish that I could get this to bloom. Right in the center. I think what I'm going to do is give myself my favorite color because I can, because that's the name of my book on the Amazon. Like, no, because I can is why. I'm going to add that color. Whether it sells or not is irrelevant because I love that color and it is selling. And why not do what you love to do? Yeah, see how those gorgeous little cells react. They're just wonderful. Really like that. Not sure about that. But I'm not hating it either. So I'm actually pretty good with all of that. I love you guys. There's 85,000 of you, 500. And under the video is Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter, Teespring clothing, all over print t-shirts and leggings. A place you can donate $10 or more to get in the monthly drawing. If you look at the end screens, you'll find the video exhibition that'll show you the prizes for any given month. I've got some really neat stuff happening in here, and I really like it a lot. And I got 1 minute to tell you guys whatever I'm going to tell you. I'm not sure you're supposed to torch, but I'm outdoors with a fan blowing, so I don't think that's going to hurt my feelings any. And I am going to camouflage this issue over here. By just adding some more of my favorite color and not worry about it. She said as she worried about it until she added some more cell activator. I love you guys. I'll see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, saying, please watch more of the videos if you want me to stay at YouTube. It's the only thing the YouTube algorithm understands. So thank you in advance for helping me out, and thank you to everybody who's binge watching, and thank you to everybody who's contributed, and thank you to all you guys for the wonderful comments you leave me.